Part 1. Your kidneys work silently, filtering 50 gallons of blood daily and keeping your body in balance. When overwhelmed, toxins build up. Creatinine levels rise, signaling kidney stress. High creatinine in tests can warn of kidney overload or even early-stage failure. Nature offers support. Specific juices help detox and boost kidney function. Juice 1. Bitter gourd with coriander, a potent blend for natural cleansing. Bitter gourd lowers blood sugar. Coriander clears toxins with antioxidants. Juice them fresh, a green tonic rich in liver and kidney-boosting nutrients. Drink early morning on an empty stomach. Small amounts only, it's strong. Juice 2. Watermelon, hydrating, light, and easy on stressed kidneys. It's 90% water and low in potassium, perfect for daily detox. Add mint to ease digestion and enhance anti-inflammatory effects. Enjoy chilled post-walk or workout. Refreshing and kidney-friendly. Juice 3. Beetroot and carrot. Colorful, nutrient-packed, and healing. Beets boost circulation. Carrots improve urinary tract health. Their pigments fight inflammation and repair oxidative damage. Drink outdoors for a cool detox boost and energy uplift. Juice 4. Cucumber and lemon. Classic, simple, yet powerfully cleansing. Cucumber hydrates deeply. Lemon adds vitamin C for immunity. Yodi mint and ice, a summer detox treat that refreshes. Post-exercise, this juice rehydrates and clears toxins fast. Juice 5. Cranberry, a known protector of urinary and kidney health. Cranberries stop bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. Choose only unsweetened juice. Avoid added sugars that harm. Just one small glass can help older adults prevent infections. Caution: juices may affect meds like blood thinners and insulin. Stick to 100 milliliters a day. Your kidneys prefer moderation. If diabetic, track sugar closely. Even natural juices impact levels. Check labels for hidden sugars or potassium that may harm. Always consult your doctor before adding juices to your plan. Support your kidneys daily with these 5 powerful natural drinks. Let's dive deeper. Understanding how these juices help can make them more effective. Bitter gourd has charantan. It lowers blood sugar and eases kidney load. Coriander is a natural diuretic. It flushes out extra salt and water. Together, they boost urine flow and reduce swelling inside the body. Taste test bitter gourd first. It's strong and not for everyone. Watermelon is tasty and rich in lycopene, great for kidney health. Lycopene fights cell damage and helps slow down kidney aging. Mint adds menthol. It soothes your gut and urinary system. Drink this juice cold for better hydration, especially in hot weather. Beetroot has nitrates. They open blood vessels and help flow. Carrots bring beta-carotene, good for immunity and waste removal. Together, they help blood pressure and support red blood cells. Start with small servings. Beet juice can change urine color. Cucumber lemon juice is easy. Mild flavor, big hydration boost. Cucumber clears toxins. Lemon raises citrate, reducing stone risk. Great for people prone to stones or mild urinary problems. Sip slowly. It helps your body absorb water better. Cranberry juice has D-mannose. It flushes bad bacteria out. Studies show it helps prevent UTIs, mostly in women. It also has quercetin, an antioxidant that protects kidneys. Too much cranberry may thin your blood. Be cautious. Stick to half a cup daily, always unsweetened. Some juices upset the stomach at first, so go slow. Rotate juices weekly. It keeps things balanced. Be regular. The real benefits come with daily habits. Drink juice first thing, then wait 30 minutes before meals. Avoid late-night juice. It can disturb your sleep. Build a habit. Small daily steps make a big impact. Hydrate all day. Water is still your best support. Next up, answers to your top juice and kidney questions. Too much salt strains your kidneys. Start cutting back on processed foods. Cook at home with fresh ingredients to control salt and boost kidney health. Herbs like parsley, turmeric, and ginger can support kidney detox naturally. Try ginger parsley tea. Boil, sip warm. It aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Daily walks improve blood flow and help regulate blood pressure, key for kidneys. Simple yoga poses like twists gently massage organs and aid kidney flow. Stress affects kidney health. Try deep breathing and stay mindful. Sleep 7-8 hours nightly to let your kidneys repair and restore. Hydrate smart. Include herbal teas and water-rich fruits in your routine. Don't overdrink water. Balance fluids with thirst and activity levels. Track creatinine with regular blood tests to catch issues early. Ask for a GFR test. It reveals more about your kidney function. Use NSAIDs sparingly. Too much can harm kidney tissue over time. Reduce alcohol and quit smoking. Both stress your kidneys badly. Check supplement labels. Avoid excess potassium or phosphorus. Skip dark sodas. Phosphoric acid can damage your kidneys. Crash diets and high protein load your kidneys. Go slow and steady. Eat more fiber. It binds waste and lowers creatinine naturally. Never skip breakfast. It supports your metabolism and kidneys. Healthy fats like olive oil and seeds reduce inflammation, aiding circulation. Consistency wins. Lasting habits help more than quick fixes. Take it slow. One juice, one habit, one small change daily. Support your kidneys. They filter every drop every day. Drink juices throughout the week and not just on weekends. Think of juice as your daily tonic, not a one-time cure. Get your family involved. Healthy routines stick better together. Track your progress in a juice journal. Adjust as needed. Rotate juices weekly. Variety keeps nutrition balanced. Balance and guidance, your best health hacks. Next, we wrap up everything into one easy kidney care plan. Welcome to Part 4. Let's turn everything you've learned into a clear daily kidney care plan. Begin each morning with warm lemon water. It gently wakes up your kidneys. Keep serving small. 100 to 150 ml daily is plenty to support kidney health. Pair juices with fiber. Oats, lentils, or greens support digestion and detox. Rotate your juices weekly. Beet carrot, cucumber lemon, watermelon mint, and others. Don't skip meals. Steady food intake keeps your kidneys well fueled. Drink herbal teas like dandelion or nettle between meals. Great for cleansing. Track your daily water. Aim for balance, not too much or too little. Dinners should be low sodium. Try steamed rice with baked veggies and herbs. Use potassium-rich foods wisely. Bananas or squash if not restricted by your doctor. Unwind with chamomile tea. It helps kidneys rest and supports better sleep. Take screen breaks. Long sitting affects circulation and kidney function. Stretch every hour. Gentle movement boosts blood flow and filtration. Get outside daily. Fresh air and light help energize your entire body. Avoid unnecessary supplements. Only use what your doctor approves. Cut back a bit on meat. Add tofu, beans, or quinoa to lighten the load. Watch for signs. Tiredness, swelling, or back pain could signal kidney stress. Urine changes matter. Foam, color, or odor can be early red flags. If unsure, get tested. Early kidney issues often have no clear symptoms. Keep blood sugar and pressure in check. They're major kidney stressors. Make routine checkups a habit. Don't wait for problems to appear. Know your family history. Act early if kidney issues run in your genes. Celebrate little wins. Every juice, walk, or meal swap adds up. Stay close to positive people. Support makes habits easier to follow. Gratitude helps lower stress, which also helps your kidneys. Keep learning. Knowledge gives you power to protect your health. Use health apps. They help track meals, fluids, tests, and reminders. Trust the process. Healing takes time and steady effort. Your kidneys do so much. Care for them with simple daily steps. Coming up next, your top kidney questions answered and myths busted.